So you have to get data sets. So we have to look at various sites in which you can get source for free data sets. Some of these sites you are already aware of some of these sites in which you can get free data sets from. Some of these sites you are already aware of them. Like the cargo.
Mhm.
We are aware of cargo, isn't it?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, we are aware of cargo. So cargo is one site you can easily can get free data set. It has a lot of data set. And the way in which cargo is growing, the way cargo is growing since cargo came out. Cargo is not quite long. I don't think cargo is up to 5 years now. But the way it
Yeah.
the way it
But they usually bring up this competition periodically. They just bring up a project for people to do, and they'll pay, and they'll pay huge amounts. I think the last one I saw one mail like that. There was one project about I think it's image recognition or something of one disease in the body, right? Blah blah blah, and I installed. I think the winner is going to go home with $50,000.
so So the way
So
cargo is
that.
growing, is really, really great. So cargo is a very good site in which you can get data from, and you use it to show
Mm,
to build a project that can showcase your skill. So just click on
mm,
cargo. When we click on cargo, we have the data set. We have the so just click on the first option there. So if you don't have you're not registered with cargo, you have to log in to register account.
okay.
So now, so this my own page. So just go on Kaggle and you go to the registration section and you register with your email and it will take you to this part. Now, also here in Kaggle, all what you need to do, you are familiar with it. Just type in and search for the data set you are looking for. For instance, I'm looking for let me say, retail. Let's say
I
retail.
know how to use. I know how to use Kaggle.
Right. So you just click on that and you hit on your enter button. If it has the data set, it brings up the data set. Or you just click on any of this and so currently there's no any result on that. So um you just click and or you just type in your search. Let's see stock market, nothing on search. So let me stock prediction. So that just opens the dataset and you go ahead to download the dataset from Kaggle. Okay. Now, some of them are Python and the code and the rest of that.
And in fact, most of them are Python.
Yeah.
Most of them are.
So also you can also use Kaggle to create a portfolio. You can use Kaggle to build your portfolio. This is a work done by somebody, and you can see the the code here. Import pandas as
Mhm.
okay. These are the Python code, and these are the data sets. And now these are what the person did, the trends. Okay, this is a stock market prediction. Okay, this is what the person did. So you can also use Cargo to build a portfolio. Now you can see at the beginning here how the person started is stock data project stock market. Now, I want to use Kaggle to build a portfolio. You use the notebook. You click on create and you use the notebook. So we'll be looking at that later. But do you know how to create a portfolio using Kaggle notebook?
No.
Okay, maybe later on start talking about building a portfolio. We will look at that. Now you can see in this notebook we will discover and explore data from stock market, particularly some technology, and we will learn how to use why finance to get stock information and visualize different aspects. We'll look at a few ways of analyzing the risks of a stock based on its previous performance history. Now, based on the previous performance history, we'll look at it to see how risky the stock is. And we can also make prediction based on that. We will also be predicting future stock prices through a long short-term memory. Okay, that is using long-term stuff. So that's how now we'll be answering the following question, because while building a portfolio, while building a dashboard, your dashboard should be giving answer to some particular question. Before you start building the dashboard, you have to ask a question. What are the questions do your dashboard wants to produce an answer to? So your dashboard must be answering some certain question or must be providing answers to some certain question. So the type of question your dashboard will be providing answer to and solution to depends on the type of dashboard you are creating. You remember we looked at the different type of dashboard. You can create a dashboard for the CMO. You can create a dashboard for, you look at the audience. So that determines the types of question. Then you go to the point of getting the data. You can see the first step is to get the data and load it in memory. We will get our stock data from the Yahoo. First, it's telling you the source where the data is being gotten from. The Yahoo Finance is a rich source. Let's forget all this is story. To get the data from Finance, we will be using Y Finance Library. Okay, we will be using Yahoo Finance Word Library in Python, which offers a threaded and Pythonic way to download. Now it's telling you how the method is going to use in getting this data set from the Yahoo website into Python. So check this article to learn more about the Yahoo Finance Library. Download historical stock market dataset with the Python. So now, what was the change in price of the stock over time? Now you want to see over time what changes in the price of the stock. So it makes use of import pandas as PD, import number as MP, and blah 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 blah, and the rest of that. So it got to all what and not. So you can see that is this guy's portfolio. So he builds his portfolio, and that is his portfolio. And this portfolio is a particular project he has in his portfolio. So, and this is one project in his portfolio. So there are a lot of projects he has in his portfolio. So that is that. So another way of there are other data sites in which you can get free data sets you can use to try your hands and showcase your skills. You can also use what we call the UCI. I don't know if you are familiar with the site, the UCI. Now the UCI, now you can see UCI home. You can see the UCI, and you can click on the machine language. Okay, the UCI. So you click on that. That's another site you can use. Welcome to UCI Ivan Machine Learning Repository. Now you can see data set here. So you can just search and click on a particular data set. You can contribute your own data sets. So you can view data sets here, or you can click on the data set. So there are various types of data sets here. You click on search.
Sorry, please come again. The archive.
Excuse me? What do you say?
The archive, the archive. Just go back a little. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go back. Go back. I want to see. They will get from Google search.
Okay, I
Okay.
said
Okay.
UCI.
Okay. Machine learning repository.
Yeah, machine learning repository, but this is also a home of the UCI. UCI even.
Okay. It's not bringing it out. I think it's because you've been visiting the what's it called? The website. That's why it's
No, just check it. You'll see it among it. Yes, I think it should be like the third or the fourth. Scroll
it's
downward.
not even there.
Have you seen it?
Uh,
Have you seen it?
it's not there. It's not even the first page of my.
It's not in the first page of yours. Okay,
Let me just write machine learning
okay, just use the UCI
in a
machine learning
repository.
repository.
Yeah, yeah, I've got it. I've gotten it. Gotten it.
Okay, what did you use?
I just got UCI machine learning
Okay,
repository
all
and
right.
it brought it out. So I'm on the data set, view data sets.
No, but I don't know why I did so. Because when I did it the first time, it came up.
It's because you've been visiting the site. That's why.
No, I said the first time I did it, it actually came up. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
you can search for your data set there. Okay, it's also a site whereby you can search, you can get data set, but actually data set is something relating to most can see the different kind bank market,
Mm-hmm.
then performance,
Mm-hmm.
online retail. You can click on your data set and you go on and on to get your data set. So that's another site to get data set from, but also you need to, you can see download the data set is already downloading this particular online retail store data set, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
So it's also a site in which you can download data set from. Okay, so there are also other sites. We are just going to look at NetWeekend. There's also another data site which we can use known as data search. The data search, sorry, data search.
Mm-hmm.
Now, once you click on that, then you click on data search. When you click on the data search, it's also another site where you can get free data from it. So you can just type the data set. I think this one is mostly on something relating to health. So okay, let's say biggest online retail. Let me just say online retail. Okay, now you can see this online retail is telling you this is coming from Kaggle. That particular one is coming from Kaggle. Now you can see, so you click on it. They can go to another Australian online retail. Um, this is another data set here. Okay. Now PDF.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So you just go ahead and you get see how you can get your data set. So that's another good site where you can get data set. Also, there's another one, the Aura, that is think the AWX is also another site where you can get a data set. The AWX, AWX also a,
Okay. Amazon Web Services.
a
Yeah.
very nice website to get data from. Okay, is an open source data from. Okay. No, this is not it. But let's see. We should be able to get it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me type Aura. Let me type registry. Okay, registry of open data. Okay, fine. Aura registry of open data. Okay. Open data on Aura. Though the other one we went the Amazon site, just that we need to click and click to get the data set here. Okay, but the first one here is registry of open data AWX. Okay, the registry of open data is available on AWX Data Exchange. All data on the registry of open data are now discoverable on AWX Data Exchange alongside and the rest of that. So you can explore the catalog and you can search for data sets here. You can just search for a particular data set and then you go ahead to get your data set and you can use that. Okay, there's another site, the AWX registry is also a very good site to get data set. The AWX registry of open data is also a nice site to get data from. Also, you can also look at the Nigerian data set. You can also get that in WHO. That is WHO. You know that you can. That is health data set. That is WHO.int/Nigeria. That is to get health data set. WHO gives more of health data set. You get health data sets.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, with you.
I missed you for some minutes. You you didn't know this.
What do you say?
Uh, you didn't notice that I missed you for some minutes.
No. I never noticed that. Wow.
And the NEPA flashed the light. They just flashed and they took the power and brought it back in like 5 seconds.
Wow.
And it usually affects my net. It usually affects my network.
Uh,
So there's no light. There's no light. I don't have network.
wow.
So it took some time before it just got back on now again. So I just reconnected.
Sorry.
But it's okay.
Okay,
No wala, no wala, no wala.
you got you got the data search.
Yeah, we stopped at AWS.
Okay, AWS. Okay, registry of open data.
Hmm.
AWS registry of open data. Did you get that?
No, I don't.
Okay, the AWS registry of open data. Okay, let's just that's another good site to get data set from. AWS of open data, registry of open data. It's a very nice site for getting um AWS registry of open data. It's a very nice site for getting free data sets. So this is so you can get data from this site, especially when it's relating to health. Okay. Your message is just gonna say your message now.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah,
I was even thinking my Geo network would. Okay.
it does account. So these are
Yeah.
different data sets here. So you can get the data sets. It's also
Oh, this
another
is
source.
this repository is quite large.
Yeah. It's quite large.
Sentinel, USSG, Landsat, 1,000 genomes. And then, okay, these are majorly
This majorly on
health. That's a good one. Let me bookmark it.
is also
I'm bookmarking all those sites now.
okay. So a very nice site of getting data from. Okay. Okay, that's that. Then we have another one, the who.international/country/Nigeria. This to get data sets relating to Nigeria, data sets on the WHO. You can get data sets here relating to Nigeria on WHO. Okay, this is another site in which you can get data sets from and use it to try your projects. So you can do that and you get data sets and use it to do one project or the other, different types of projects
Uh-huh.
to showcase your skills. Then also we have the AU, also we have the we have the AU, also another site for getting data set. Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this AU, this another site to get data set from. Excuse me. So, this is another site you can get data from. Okay, okay. You can also get data from this particular site. The other one, you can also get some Nigerian data set, the statistical bulletin, Nigeria. I think Nigeria start. Okay, that is the statistical bulletin. That's to get data like inflation rate and the rest of them. So that's Nigeria stat.gov.ng. I think something like that. Nigeria stat.gov dot
Yeah, Nigeria. Okay, that's NBS now.
and Nigeria and
Is NBS website, official
yeah,
website?
NBS, yeah, NBS
Bureau
website.
Bureau of Statistics website.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bureau of Statistics website.
Mm-hmm.
That,
That's
that,
a good one.
that Bureau of Statistics website. So let's one. let me use Bureau of Statistics rather. Okay, and National Bureau of Statistics. Okay, that's another site where you can get data sets. You can get data set on the site. You can get data set on the site, and you can also use the data set to also practice your hands on try your project. Okay, another place again you can get data set is the Federal Ministry of Health website. I think you can get data set on that. Federal Ministry of Health connect.gov.ng. Okay, you can get data sets from this particular site. Also, you can also get data sets from this particular site and you can use it for your project. Okay, Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare. You can get data sets from the site. Okay, you can also explore the site and you look for data set. You explore the site, you can get data set on this particular site. Okay, okay. Then also we have apart from the Federal Ministry of Health, can also get data set from this site. Okay, we've already talked about the World Health Organization. So these are some few sites you can get free data from. I used to build beautiful projects that can showcase your skills. So you get sight from all these data sets. So we are going to wrap it up here. So these are the various sites in which you can get the data sets. So when we come back, the next time we'll be talking about portfolio building your portfolio.
Maybe we can just take some time on the talk you gave me.
What is it?
The project, the assignment you gave me, maybe we can just go through it.
Okay, for me to go through it.
Not tonight, not tonight. I mean, when next we meet, we just go through it then.
Okay. Okay, when next we need we go through. Have you done it? You have to show me
No, I
what
haven't. No.
you have to show me what you've done.
Yeah, but I just started. I
Okay.
started it earlier.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you my. I'm going to show you my.
No, don't show me yours. Don't show me yours. Let me. I was doing the data cleaning when my stuff got expired and I
And
couldn't.
you said let's touch it now.
No, I mean when next we meet now.
Is that what I'm saying?
Let me see. Yeah. I just restored my Excel and my Excel. So I I would